Afternoon, everybody. I'm Sylvie, the Crafty Old Lady, and Happy New Year. I'm filming this on January 2nd, 2026, and I'm going to document my New Year's Day, how I spent my New Year's Day in my new journal, and I am using lots of garbage. So, let's go to the next available page, and it's blank page. So what I think I'm going to do is, actually I think I'm going to do this page because I don't want to put this like this here. I don't like how that looks. I don't want to do that. I want this to be a flip up, and if I put it here, then it's going to ruin the other page. But if I put it here, it won't ruin anything because I haven't done anything here yet. So anyway, we'll skip that page for now, or maybe I'll use both pages. I don't know. But this is going to be a flip up. But the first thing I want to do is, this is going to be a little pocket. My daughter Bethany spent the weekend with us, and she wanted a chocolate bar, but I didn't want her to get a big chocolate bar. So we found this little box with 3 chocolates in it. And we compromised with that, and she loved it. So this is going to be our pocket. And as you can see, we also made a little, we did not make it exactly like that. This is how ours turned out. That's the roof. That's how our cookie house turned out. And she's never really interested in eating them. She just wants to make them. So my grandson came over today, and we ate the cookie, or I should say he ate the cookie house. I did too. But I'm going to put this here. And I could put a backup, like a, I don't know what you call it, paper backup on it, but I'm not. I'm just going to glue it down. And this is how I use garbage in my junk journal. So we'll put that there. And I also have, we went to, the reason why I didn't want her to get another big giant chocolate was because she had ice cream earlier. And so that's going to go there. And this is the first time we ever went in Stewart's to eat it. But we were only in there for 2 seconds. She wanted to go in the car and eat the rest of it. So that's that. And then after that, we went to Five Below, and that's where we got the cookie house kit at Five Below. So, yeah. Make sure they're not upside down. So we'll do that, and then we'll put the picture of her making the cookie house, I think, right here. I've also got this, came in the kit. So maybe I will put that over here and put a... We also went to Michael's and we got a wooden gingerbread house. This isn't quite done yet, but we'll finish it next week. But I wanted to document what we had so far. So that can kind of maybe go in there. And that's going to go here. But I think I'll decorate that page a little bit. And I think I will put a backer up on this one. Maybe I won't put this in yet. And when it's all finished, I will put this in with the finished one. I think I'll do that, actually. This is a little gift card that she brought because she got me a cute little necklace. And so I thought that was really sweet that she picked out a little necklace for me. And we'll put that there. And I need to take a picture of the necklace, actually, but I have it on. And I'll put that in, too, when I get the picture taken. Okay, so let's go in there. This is going on. Oh, first I think I'll back up this picture of her on some nice paper and put it right here. Maybe like a pink. Okay. So my husband went today for his post radiation blood test, so hopefully that is coming out nice and clear. of any kind of cancer cells. Put this right here. Okay, and then this now. Now, if I wanted to be really fancy, I could have actually covered this cardboard in something pretty, but it's too late now. This is going to go, whoops, right here. And there's glue on it, so I got to get that off. I don't want it to stick there. Okay, we'll leave that up for a few minutes. I don't have any wintry stickers, I don't think. I got these at Dollar, or not Dollar. I got these at Five Below, and I thought they were really cute. I don't see anything wintry though. Maybe just some bows would be cute on there. I don't know. This one is cute, but it's got too much white on it, so I think I will cut some of that off with the white around it with my little baby scissors. I hope your New Year's is off to a good start. And I'm going to be making some, I hope, changes on this channel because I'd like to do more than just showing you what I'm making. Maybe some more vloggy type videos, taking you where I go and showing you other things that I'm doing. Maybe? I don't know. I do want to make a video about my journal lineups and like my New Year's intentions kind of thing. Not resolutions, but just things I wish to do or accomplish or do better at even, you know what I mean? So that should be coming up soon. And then we'll just see what's what, see how things unfold. I still feel like I need to put stuff here. I also got this at Five Below. It's a Junker Journal sticker book, which I thought was really interesting. Got some borders there, like kind of washi tape strips. Oh, that's nice. Oh, there's some pretty bows too. How cute are these? Really cute, actually. Oh, it's got some paper in the back. Okay, is this maybe stickers? Are these stickers? I don't know, I can't tell. It looks like alphabet stickers. Oh, that's cute too. Flowers, that's nice, but nothing wintry. So, I gotta find something wintry. Alright, so I did find this little thing, Wake Me Up When Winter Ends. So I'm gonna put that across the bottom of my page. And I'm gonna put my little Oreo cookie pocket on. And I have also some journaling cards that I can choose from to put one in here and one in here. And I think we'll put something on the top, maybe some more bows. And I think that'll be it. I gotta get to Dollar Tree and get some more. Oh, I think I have this double-sided tape. Oh, this does not seem to be working right. Yeah, those things always break on me. Oh, let's do this. I'll put this here, and I think I'll put one more over here and get that secure. Alright, so we're going to put this right here. I didn't take any pictures of my grandson today when he was here. unfortunately. He doesn't always want a camera in his face, you know. Whoops. So, stay warm and cozy. That's a good one. I could also cut it down, but it's not covering her face anyway, so I think any of these would work. Oh, keep warm and drink hot cocoa. She likes hot cocoa. Maybe that one would be nice in there. Let's see what else we got. That's that. There's no place like home. Comfy cozy. Let's hibernate. That's cute. It's a marshmallow world in the winter. Oh, I want to make a little waterfall with these little things. Oh, that's cute. Snow day. It was snowy that day. I think I'll use this one. I'm going to round... Oh, I think I need to trim off the top just a teensy bit too, because I see white. Alright. So that's better now. And we'll round the corners a little bit. And then I should have round the corners after I put paper on there that I can write on. Okay. I need a scrap paper. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Put this on here. Whoops, do it this way. There we go. Perfect. Well, not exactly perfect. Let's trim it off. Not exactly perfect, but we'll survive. Oops, I didn't go all the way down. Okay, a little off the bottom. And a little off the top. Sound like I'm getting a haircut. Okay, and now we'll round the corners and ink it in pink. Okay, got a little pink here. Oh, that's not even the right one. Where'd my wolf go? Here it is. This is the one I wanted to do. Oh my gosh. Well, we'll use this one in the other pocket. Okay. Here we go. Maybe I can get this one on straighter. Oh boy. Okay, this way. I think I did it better. Okay. Get this off. And now we'll round the corners. And still ink it in pink. It's a little bit short. We'll survive. It's okay. Let's ink it in pink if it shows up. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's going to go in there. And this is Pink Peony, in case anyone is interested. And we'll ink this one in pink. These would also be good to put pictures on the back. This size especially would be perfect fit on the other side. So that's going to go. There, and I think I'm going to put a, oh, my receipt came out. I think I'm going to put a tab on that too. I have some already made. See if I have a pink one. And I do. Okay. Actually, there's two different shades of pink because that's not quite the same. Do I have one that's the same? Yeah, that's closer. All right. Let's do this. I'm only going to do this on one side. I don't need to do it on both sides. Okay, perfect. That's going to go there. And that's going to go in the pocket. And I just need some bows or something for there. Even though it's not wintry, bows can be, they're not limited to a season, right? Okay, let's see what we can find. Here's a pink bow. We'll cut off some of it again. And we'll put this up here. And I think that'll do it. Oops, I cut all the white off in that spot. What have you been doing so far in your new year? Let me know in the comments below. It has been very cold where I live in upstate New York. In the teens and lower, and extreme wind where we live. Not much, no new snow anyway. Stuck on me. I feel like I need to take some of this off too. Okay. Oop, come on, come on. Okay, that's gonna go right there. And I think we're good. Though we could use one more there, but I think we're good. But so I have this little journaling card with the date on it. And I have another one in this pocket. I do kind of regret not making this part prettier. I wish I had covered it with some pretty paper. And then the tag from the present that Bethany gave me. And I really hope this video came out. I hope that you're happy, healthy, and safe, and will continue to be. And I hope you are having a happy new year so far. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.